Welcome to Big Cookbook Little Kitchen. Today I would like to share with you my cheeseburger meatloaf recipe. In a frying pan add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 medium finely chopped onion. Stir for a few minutes and add in 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of thyme. Set aside to cool. In a large bowl add 1 pound of ground turkey, either 1 flax egg or 1 regular egg is okay. Add in the cooked onions, 1/3 cup of tomato sauce or ketchup, 3/4 cup of finely crushed crackers or breadcrumbs, and 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. Use your hands to mix in all the ingredients. Shape meat on wax paper into a 10 by 12 inch rectangle about 1 inch thick. This will help to keep the cheese inside, so be careful not to flatten it too thin. Sprinkle the cheese evenly over the top except for leaving about 1 inch all around without cheese. Carefully lift and press the meat together as you form a sealed roll. Place into a baking dish. Top with a glazed mixture of 1/4 cup ketchup or tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and 1/4 cup of brown sugar covering the top and sides. Bake in a 350-degree oven for about 1 hour, or until thermometer reads 160 degrees. Let it rest for about 10 to 15 minutes before slicing. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and look forward to sharing another recipe with you. God bless.